Well, what does Ballet do? Well, Ballet solves a problem by providing an easy and safe solution for anyone to self-custody their cryptocurrency and digital assets, all the while keeping it in offline cold storage so that it can't be hacked and cannot be stolen from you electronically. Ballet provides the best product for all users of all ages because it's a non-electronic solution. There's no setup, there's no complicated setup procedures, no technical knowledge is needed. Been in the cryptocurrency industry for over 12 years, and I'm very, very proud of working with our team and the founding team to have invented and created this product. It's the first of its kind where you can have a cold storage device to store your cryptocurrency assets offline, completely not connected to the internet, yet it does not require any sort of setup, backup procedures, complicated programs and all that things to use. So people of all ages can quickly and easily learn Ballet without the fear of making mistakes. Because when users make mistakes, they usually lose money and loss of funds. So traditionally, before Ballet, the only way to get easy and safe storage was to rely on a third-party custodial, such as an exchange and so on. But as many of you know, using an exchange to store your assets can be risky, right, in several ways. First of all, if the exchange business itself doesn't operate well, they can go bankrupt or they can get hacked or just mismanagement of funds. Individual users of exchanges can get your accounts hacked, where the money on your exchange platform can be stolen because hackers get access to your online account, whether it's through password phishing or other sorts of online hacking. And also, if you store your coins on lending platforms, that's also a custodial exchange. So there are risks with having your digital assets on lending platforms as well. So Ballet, in summary, Ballet offers one of the safest and easiest ways for you to store and hold your own digital assets in a offline cold storage device, and this is what we have.